Hello friends, my name is Shruti Gupta and my channel's name is Learning with Shruti. So as we all are fighting against COVID-19 and we all are locked on at our home, so why not develop our skills and enhance our knowledge? Today's video is about the basic Excel shortcuts for beginners, and in our upcoming videos we will try to cover all important and advanced Excel shortcuts. Now friends, this is my worksheet. Let's first check how many rows and how many columns are there in an Excel sheet. By clicking on this button, we can see here there are 10,48,576 rows and 16,384 columns. Starting with Control A. A is for all. If I press Control A, it will select all the data. Again, it will select the whole sheet. Control B. B is for bold. Our text will be in bold font, and if I press it again it will unbold it. Control C, C is for copy. If I do Control C and with Control V I can paste. Control V I can paste. Control D, D is for duplicate as same as above. Like if I press here Control D, the same text will be copied which is written above the cell. Control F is to find. F is to find. Uh, this is my sample sheet. Suppose in this sheet I'll press Control F. I want to find Jaipur. I'll type Jaipur and I'll do find next. Next. There are three Jaipurs. Now, suppose I want to replace it. Control H is to replace. I want to replace it with Udaipur. I'll do replace all. And now all the three replacements has been done. As you can see, Udaipur, Udaipur and Udaipur. Now, this change has been done in this sheet only. If you want to do the change in the entire workbook, like in all the three sheets, from options, you can go within workbook. And if you want to change in sheet only, within sheet. Control G, G is to go to suppose I want to go on cell number F600, I'll press Control G, F600. It will take me to this cell. And I want to go back. I'll go back to my cell C7. Yes. I is for italic. It will be in italic form. The text will be in italic form. And I do it again. It will be in normal form again. Control K. K is for create hyperlink. In this file, if I want to create a hyperlink, I want to create a link of another sheet. I'll press Control K. From here, I can select any sheet and I can create a hyperlink of this. Now you can open this sheet directly from here. Control L or Control T. T is for table. Now I want to create a table here. I'll press Control T or Control L. Adjust with Shift button and enter. A table will be created with filter and sort options. This filter and sort options we will cover in our upcoming videos. Control N, N is for new workbook. Control N, a new workbook will get opened. And Control W or Control plus F4, both are to close the window. I'll press Control W, the sheet will get closed. Control O, O is to open a new sheet. So Control O, the sheet which has already been saved. P, P is to print. Control P, if I want to print the sheet. R, R is for right. Fill the right cell. Now, if I press here Control R, whatever is written on the left of the cell will be filled in the right cell. Like Control R again. Whatever is filled on the left, it will be filled in right cell. Control R. Control S is to save. You can see my file has been saved now. And only Control F12. Not Control F12, only F12 is to save as. F12. Now you can save as the file. Control U, U is to underline. If you want to underline your text, see the text is underlined. If you want a normal format, again Control U. Control V is for paste. Control X is to cut. If you want to cut this text, not only copy, Control X, and now here Control V. If you want to undo it, like if you think you have done something wrong which you don't want to do, do Control Z, it will undo it, and Control Y is to redo it. Control plus Z is to undo, Control plus Y is to redo. Control plus F1 is to hide and show quick access toolbar. This is a quick access toolbar. If you want to hide this toolbar so that you can see more and more cells in your sheet, you can press Control plus F1, and if you want to see it, Control F1 again. Control plus F2 is for print preview. I'll press Control plus F2. I can see the preview of my file. F2 is to edit the file. If I press only F2 is to edit if I want to edit any cell. F4 is for repeating an action. Like I'm pressing only F4, it will repeat the last action. Lastly, I saw the print preview, it will repeat the last action. F9, you can minimize it from here or else Control F9 and Control F10 for maximizing it. Shift plus space bar. If you want to select the entire row of this cell, press Shift plus space bar and Control plus to add a row, Control minus to delete a row. Same as for column, if you want to select the column, Control space bar, Control plus for adding, Control minus for deletion. You can see here, Shift plus space bar is for row and Control plus space bar is for column. Page up and down, like Control page up. If I want to go on sheet number 1, I'll do Control plus page down. If I come back on formulas, Control plus page up. Control plus tilt. You can see the photo of the keyboard here. Tilt is the button adjacent to 1 and above tab button. Control plus tilt to see all formulas in a worksheet. In sheet 1, if I want to see how many formulas and what all formulas has been applied, I'll press Control plus tilt, and here I can see the formulas which have been applied. Thank you friends. If you like our video, please do like and share our channel and keep sharing our videos and motivate us to post more and more videos like this. We will be sharing our next video soon. Till then, happy learning, stay at home, stay safe.